Hello everyone, this is Shivani. Today we will learn an assembly language program to find the largest number in an array. This is a very simple program. Firstly, we will see the execution steps followed by the logic. So here we are assuming 4 numbers or bytes 3, 2, 4 and 1. Since total given numbers are 4, we need to make 3 comparisons. That is, for n numbers we need to make n minus 1 comparisons. Given data 3, 2, 4 and 1, here is the logic to find the largest number. Compare first and second number. If first number is greater than the second number, interchange them, or else don't interchange. Move to compare second and third number and repeat the step till the required number of comparisons are met. For n minus 1 comparisons, there are n numbers given. So here is the comparison. After first comparison, result will be 2, 3, 4, 1. Since 3 is greater than 2, 2 and 3 are interchanged and the result will be this. After second comparison, the result would be the same because 3 is not greater than 4. After third or last comparison, we get 2, 3, 1 and 4 because 4 is greater than 1 and hence 4 and 1 are interchanged. The number at the bottom of this series is the largest number, that is 4. Let us write and execute the program. So here the software required for laptop is DOSBox and MP software, and for mobile is Android DOSBox and 8086 software. Both the softwares are freely available. Steps to operate DOSBox. Entering the DOSBox into the Z drive, we need to type mount C /MP, enter C:. Once the C drive is available, use the following steps to write and execute the program. Steps of execution. Step 1, edit step. Edit space filename.asm. For example, edit space p1.asm, where p1 is the file name. Write the program, file, save and exit. Step 2, MASM step, MASM space filename.asm . If you get 0 errors after executing the MASM step, move to step 3, or else go back to step 1, the edit step, correct the errors and come back to step 2 once again. Step 3, link space filename.obj . Step 4, debug step, the most important step. We need to type debug space filename.exe. Under debug step, type command U. U is the unassemble command. Here we observe machine language program, ALP segment address as well as offset address. We need to note down the offset address of instruction move AH, 4CH. So here we can observe, after typing the command U, first column is the segment address, second column is the offset address, and the last column is the machine language program. Now using the above offset address, execute program using G command in the following format. G is equal to start address space end address. For example, if start address is equal to 0 and end address is equal to 0022, we need to type G is equal to 0 space 0022. It will display contents of all registers and flags. After this, to see results in data segment memory, use D command. Type D space DS:0, see the results in memory. So here we can observe this step 1, edit space filename.asm. Here we have given the file name as largest 2. This is the program to find the largest of given number. Starting with data segment details, org0h, given space db space 3, 2, 4 and 1. We have given the four numbers to the memory given, starting with 0h address, org10h, large num space db space question mark. Since the largest number is unknown, we have replaced it with question mark and assigned to memory large num starting address 10h. Here ends the data segment. Start of code segment. Assume CS:code, ds: data. Here we are declaring the segment registers CS and DS. Start of main, move AX comma data, move DS comma AX. Here we are assigning data to the register AX, which is in turn assigned to register DS. Move CX comma 04 is the count register. Since we have given 4 numbers, here the count is 4. LEA space SI comma given, load effective address, initializing address. Go back step, we will see in the next slide. Go back step includes move AL comma bracket SI, increment SI, move PL comma bracket SI. The given number is 3, 2, 4 and 1. So here first number is assigned to register AL, then incremented. Second number is assigned to register BL. Both are compared. CMP AL comma BL is the compare instruction. JC space no exchange. JC instruction jump if carry. So it executes if first number is less than second number. So if AL is less than BL, for example, if 3 is less than 2, skip to no exchange. But we know that 3 is not less than 2, false statement, move to the next instruction. So for the false statement we get that move space SI comma AL, decrement SI, move space SI comma BL, increment SI. So if we found this is a true statement, that is first number is less than second number, move to the no exchange. Loop, go back. Here loop is the most important instruction. So after executing JC and coming to the no exchange step, loop goes back to the go back step, repeats the cycle once again, comes to the JC and then moves forward. Move AL comma SI. Here we have assigned AL to the unknown large num. Move AH comma 4CH in 21H. End of main, program exit point. Here we can see the comparisons. Step 2, MASM space largest 2.asm semicolon. After executing the MASM step, we should get 0 syntax errors, that is 0 warning errors and 0 severe errors. Step 3, link space largest 2.obj semicolon. After executing the link step, we will get no stack segment. Step 4, most important step, debug space largest 2.exe. After entering the debug step, type command U. Here we need to observe the program, trace the instruction move AH comma 4CH and its offset address. If not traced, type command U once again. So in this program we need to type command U twice because move AH comma 4C is not obtained during first U command. So here we can observe the instruction and note the offset address, that is 0022. So we know that starting address is 0 and offset address of instruction move AH comma 4CH is 0022. Type G command. G is equal to 0 space 0022. Here are the registers and flags. To see the results in data segment memory, type D command, that is D space DS colon 0. Here for the given we have origin as 00. So here are the numbers, input numbers 2, 3, 1 and 4, and for the large num we have given the originate as 0010. So in the address 0010 we get the largest num, answer 4. So here ends our program and this is the result. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to execute the program of largest number using DOSBox software. So opening the DOSBox into the Z drive, we need to type mount space C colon \MP, enter, C colon. Since drive C is mounted, start with step 1, edit, space, file name. Here our file name is largest2 dot asm, enter. Onto the blue screen we need to type our program. Here the program is already written, so just type the program, file, save, and then file, exit. Proceed with step 2, masm space largest2 dot asm semicolon. Here we can observe 0 warning errors and 0 severe errors. Hence, we can proceed to step 3, link step. Step 3, link space largest2 dot obj semicolon. Here we can observe no stack segment. Proceed to step 4, the most important step, debug step. Debug space largest2 dot exe, enter. Type command U, enter. Here after the command U, onto the first line we can observe the start address, but we need the offset address of the instruction move AH, 4C. So type U command once again until we get that instruction. After typing command U once again, here we can observe that onto the offset address 0022 we get the instruction move AH, 4C. So next type G command. G is equal to starting address 0000 space 0022 offset address of instruction move AH, 4C, enter. Here we get the results into registers and flags. Next, to get the result in data segment memory, D space DS colon 0, enter. So into the address location 0010 we can observe the number 4, which is the largest number, and hence our result. To step out of this program, Q and then exit. Required answer.